Hi, I'm Anthony Vibin and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be seeing about what is Streamlit. So Streamlit is basically an open source Python library that makes it very easy for you to create custom web applications for machine learning and data science. So we basically use the Python code in order to create the Streamlit. So within few minutes, you'll be able to build an application and you'll be able to deploy that in the cloud as well. So this is the official website of Streamlit. You can have a read on it. So apart from this, I'm using a Mac OS and I'll be using my terminal. If you're using a Windows, just get into the command prompt and just install the Streamlit application. So all you have to do is just give pip install Streamlit. So we see that the Streamlit has been installed. In order to check the Streamlit has been installed properly, what I do is I type Streamlit and give hello. So it will ask you for your email ID. Once you give the email ID, it will be directed to another website. So since I've already given my email ID, this is how the website will be shown and it'll be automatically redirected. You don't have to do anything. So inside this, we see that the documentation, this is going to be the documentation that I've already shown you. This is the documentation of Streamlit. You can explore on it. Apart from this, we also have a community forum wherein you can, the questions, if you have any questions, you can just put it on that. And we also have certain other documentations inside this. Apart from this, we have two of demos that is given by Streamlit. That is a default demo that is being given. So you can just replicate this and you can create your own Streamlit applications. We have the GitHub coding. So you can use this code in order to create your own custom application. So this one is for a self-driving car image data set, and the other is for New York City rideshare. You can explore on this, but in order to see this, you need to understand the basic syntax of how the Streamlit is working. So let me get into Python. I'm using Python. You can use any IDE that you want. Uh, so the first thing that we do here is import Streamlit, and I give F9 in order to run this code, and I also give as st. So we see that it is being imported, and after this I write. So inside st we have a lot of things like title or checkbox, and so many other things are there. Header, subheader, so many things. So I'll just write a string, welcome to Streamlit by Anthony Vibin. And what I do is I just save this in a particular folder. So I've saved it inside this particular folder. I just replace this. So I just go back to the terminal. From the terminal, I have to give Control C in order to just come out. And I have to redirect my terminal to that particular folder. It is going to be this particular folder wherein I'll be using this code one. So we can see that I'm inside, I give pwd. So you just have to understand a little bit of the Linux code. That'll make it easy for you. So if I give ls, I can see that what and all folders I have within that. So cd space desktop and Streamlit, I can get inside this particular folder. So once I give ls, I can see that this is my code. So how I run this code is I give Streamlit and run and this particular Python code. So once I run this, it automatically redirects to this particular web page. This particular web page, if I refresh, we can see that this code is executed. So this is how we create a Streamlit application. Thank you for watching.